Nicholas, can you hear me?
Yep.
I thought like I just received your email, like you were busy or something.
Oh no, I'm good now. Sorry.
Oh, perfect, no worries, sounds good. Yeah, Nicholas, got a message. Excited to talk to you. So how can I help?
So I was talking to Andrew. I'm friends with Andrew Weiss, and he told me that you're working on some Facebook stuff
Uh-huh.
for him.
Uh,
I just wanted to learn a little bit more about what you got going on.
for sure. Specifically for Andrew.
Say it again.
Specifically for Andrew. I mean, like for Andrew, we are running campaigns in New York, Florida, South Carolina, North Carolina, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Connecticut. We are just covering it all. So, which state are you selling in?
Yeah, so New York and Texas are the two markets we'd be targeting.
Full state or specific counties?
So New York would be all the boroughs and Long Island.
Okay.
So Nassau, Suffolk County, and all the boroughs.
Uh-huh.
And then Texas, I have a zip list.
Sounds good. So that's pretty much straightforward. And one important thing is, how much are you guys thinking to spend on ads?
Honestly, we kind of want to start slow and then build it up. Like right now I have a fully built call center.
Mhm.
So like I have a call center operation that's doing pretty well.
Mhm.
And we're spending quite a bit on that right now.
Okay.
So I like want to start it kind of slow and see how it goes and then optimize from there, probably get it to the point where eventually we're spending, 20 to 40 grand a month on ad budget.
Okay.
But to start, probably around like, 5 a month and then kind of build it up from there,
That's good. Andrew, I think Andrew is spending around $2,000 a week. So that equals to 8,000 a month. But yeah, we can pretty much like start at $5,000 as of now initially, and then we can scale up from there.
And so if I was spending just to get like the parameters, I know you can't give me exact numbers, but just to get an idea, like what would how many leads could I expect if I'm spending like 4 to 5 grand a month?
Man, to be honest, I cannot throw a blind number here, but see, like I'm more of like, operation side of the guy, but as soon as we onboard you, you can get these answers from the team. But I think for Andrew, we have been getting, let me check his lead sheet if possible, real quick.
Cool.
Mm, mm. So in for this is, yeah, so in total as of now we have generated him 25 leads. Let me check if it's possible how many leads have we got.
You said in total was what?
As of now, like initially, like I think we have just started his campaign maybe yesterday. In just a week, we got like around 25 leads.
Okay.
He's spending around $300 a day, somewhere around that. Man, to be honest, I have no idea. So if you can just give me just 2 minutes, I can just talk to my
Sure, take
lead.
your time.
Yeah. So so how much are you thinking to spend? Like around 5,000?
I mean, like, it depends, right? Like, what's the management fee?
So management is $2,000 plus the ad spend above that.
Okay, so $2,000 per month plus ad spend.
That's correct.
And that's $2,000 per month, no matter what the ad spend is.
That's correct. Yep.
Okay.
Mhm.
All right. And let me see. So what if we were to start out with 1,000 a week and then ramp it up from there?
Yeah, man, I'm saying like just start small. No worries. You don't have to like overspend. Start small and yeah, you can just scale from there. No worries.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
So do you work with Andrew or like do you know him as a connection or a friend?
Just a friend.
Just a friend. Got it. Perfect. So yeah, Nicola, when do you want to start then?
Oh, sorry, someone's saying. How is the payment made? Just wondering.
See, Andrew pays via TransferWise. Do you know like what TransferWise is?
No.
So it's kind of a, you can just send us the money directly in a day or two. Either way, you can pay us via Stripe also.
Stripe.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, I mean, let's give it a shot, man.
For sure. So, Nicola, let me do this. After this call, I'm going to, my team will send you over the contract, invoice, and the onboarding call, right? The onboarding form.
Okay.
So just take care of these three things and let me schedule your onboarding call with the team tomorrow. The sooner the better, right? So tell me one
Yep.
one time, like when are you free tomorrow?
Um, Tomorrow, I mean, 10 a.m., 11 a.m.
10 a.m. Eastern.
Yeah.
Perfect. I've just got it right down here. 10 a.m. EST. I have your email. I'm going to send you over the invite. Just accept it. So just make sure of taking care of the invoice, contract, and the onboarding form by tomorrow, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm just sending you the onboarding form right now over Messenger. You can just fill that out real quick. And whatever doesn't make sense, you can just type NA there.
Okay.
Right? Perfect. Okay, man. Send you the onboarding form over Messenger. Let me get the contract and invoice sent.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, Nicola, have a good day. I really appreciate your time. Bye.